Named Project RIZZARDRY, this handcrafted Defender 110 is a modern interpretation of one of the world's most iconic adventure vehicles. Finished in Grasmere green with a Chawton white roof and accented by Zermatt silver details throughout, every surface has been considered. From the external roll cage and heritage grille to the custom fold-down side steps with Sapele walnut wood inserts, this Defender balances rugged capability with tailored luxury in a way few vehicles ever could. Beneath the surface lies modern performance. Powered by an LT1 engine paired with an automatic transmission, Alcon brakes, and E.C.D's air ride suspension system, delivers delicate comfort on road and commanding confidence. Extended fuel capacity, dual sport exhausts, and BF Goodrich all-terrain tyres ensure it's ready for long-distance adventure wherever the journey leads. But it's inside where this build truly separates itself. Tam leather wraps the cabin with intricate vertical diamond stitching inspired by classic luxury interiors. Brazilian rosewood accents, custom walnut cargo flooring, and an Evander wooden steering wheel transform the Defender into something that feels equally inspired by vintage yachts and bespoke grand tourers. A vehicle engineered for exploration, handcrafted for connection, and designed to be remembered long after the engine shuts off.